Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear this. Not sure if it's a plane overhead or wind in the trees, but you can hear this weird noise. It's pretty eerie, man. I've got goosebumps now. Check out this flower I found here, bro. It looks really unique. Let me know if any of you recognize this plant. Damn, I wonder if you know its name. Cyrilha, an abandoned house. There's a small house there, but I'm not going. Come on, Mike, let's go. See, that house must belong to someone. The overgrown trail and logs blocking it made me think camping here's okay. I know I won't cause any harm. I'll camp here, cook, then take a look around, you know? To see what else I can find. That's all, folks. I'm not checking out that little house because, well, yeah, my goal isn't to find or look for anyone. Quite the opposite. My goal is to find myself. Fetch, Mike, fetch. Good boy. Bring the ball, bring it here.
And that's it. you next time. Bye. 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 Yeah, I couldn't do it. I came to see the house. Man, let's check out this house. Look at all these fruit trees here. Check out the jackfruit tree. This is a jackfruit tree. This must be a fruit tree too, but not in season. This is a jackfruit tree, you know? I got jackfruit and avocados here, look. Here's a jackfruit tree. Let's take a tour, yeah? I went in the house, but told Mike not to. Might be snakes. This, guys, is where some bug bit me. Oh, papaya tree. Papaya tree. Monkeys and birds probably ate some. Orange or lemon tree over there. Let's keep going, not much else, right? Thought someone lived here, but it's abandoned. Here's a guava tree. Let's film some green guavas. This is a guava tree. Not sure if you can see the guavas. Guava tree here and coconut trees too. Can't climb yet. I want to learn to climb coconut trees. Always wanted to.
Sure will. Then I'll have endless coconuts, man. Arriving here is all set, fully stocked, water for days. Oops, almost fell. A little couch there. Oh, let's keep going here. More stuff here, not counting what's in the bush. Might find a snake, I'm not ready. Whoa, dude, what a scare. Look what I found here. Speaking of snakes. Laugh if you want, but you'd jump too if you were here. Man, it's just like a snake, but it's a rope. Jeez, man. Look, even Mike came to see. Mike sensed something was up, you know? He's like, oh, Dad's scared of something. The avocado, where I got it. The avocado. That's another jackfruit tree. Oh, yeah. And there's another fruit tree here. Let me show you. Seriously, there could be lots of snakes here. Snakes, scorpions, spiders. Those are the critters I fear most, man. Here, starfruit tree. Where's the starfruit? It's there. Look, a starfruit tree. I picked one, but it had bugs. Probably not in season. I don't see many. And here's another jackfruit tree. Let's head back. The mosquitoes are eating me alive. So many mosquitoes. Let's return to the van. You'll want to come along. I'll leave my fruit here. No bag. Might find one by the river. Let me show you inside the house, okay? I haven't shown you the house yet. Nothing special, just an abandoned house. Be careful in these houses, guys. Snakes, scorpions, spiders. Whoa, speaking of snakes, that rope gave me a scare. You gotta go, man. Stay there. Don't come in, dudes. Stay put. Nothing interesting for you here. He wants to protect Daddy, right, sweetie? Oh, look, there's some charcoal here. If I had a big bag, I'd take it. But it's probably no good anyway. I need a container for these fruits. Wonder if I'll find one. A bathroom? Wait, stay. Oops, sorry. I saw a huge mosquito. It wasn't a mosquito that bit me, though. Let me check on Mike. A wallet? Is there any money in here? Nothing. Folks, the grass is too tall here. I'm not going there because I'm not wearing boots, I'm unprepared, and I've got Mike with me. I'm already bitten. I've got the fruits, and I've been in the woods for 2 days now. I need to get back to civilization. It's only been 2 days, but I don't live off much. Limited resources. So I need to go back to charge my phone, edit videos, you know? If I had a solar panel, man, I could stay here for a month straight. Not a month, but I could stay for a week. Let's go back to the combi and get a bag. The mosquito and I will bring the bag in. I'll get the fruits, take them to the combi, and head to the next spot. Where to, only God knows.